here from Tech, and welcome to our Sound Suppression Passenger Tire Puncture Repair course. In this video, we're going to teach you how to remove and inspect a tire with a crown area puncture. Always remember the Tech REPAIR method. The first step in proper tire repair is R, which stands for remove the tire from the wheel and inspect the tire. Removing the tire from the wheel also allows you to fully inspect the tire from the inside out and look for any non-repairable conditions. Remember, your role as a tire technician is to inspect and assess whether or not a tire is repairable or non-repairable, and most importantly, whether the tire is safe to return to service. Your inspection should include the bead area, the sidewalls, the tread area, and the inside of the tire. As you discover any injuries, mark them with a high-quality marker. When the tire is inspected, there are several conditions deemed by the tire industry guidelines as non-repairable conditions, and these include an injury greater than 1/4 of an inch for passenger tires or 3/8 of an inch for steel body ply truck tires, a tire that has been run flat or shows underinflated conditions, tire inner liner separations, tire casing separations, excessive tread wear, exposed body plies or cables, deformed bead or exposed fabric steel, ozone cracking, damage from impacts, and any injury greater than 25 degrees requires a 2-piece repair be used. Once you determine that the tire does not suffer from any of these non-repairable conditions, it's time to begin the second step in the process, which is E, and that stands for evaluate the injury. Thanks for watching Tech's Remove the Tire and Inspection training course. If you're interested in Tech's complete line of tire repairs, specialty chemicals, and any of the tools used in our Tech training video, refer to the list at the end of this course and contact your Tech distributor or visit techtirerepairs.com.